Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl DWOOD checking in, looking good.
Period.
Yes, ma'am, man. You look so pretty, girl. Oh, thank you. That kisses to me. Oh wait, hold on. All these kisses is mine. Hold on, you doing a lot now. Let's get into this look. This right here is gonna be a summertime fine date night look. You seen what it was giving. It was giving summertime fine date night look. 10-minute video. I finna tell you how she did it, just like this. You need some little tips, send this video to your homegirl if she needs some little tips. You know what I'm saying? Cause this right here is a 10-minute tutorial how to get yourself right for date night, man. Alright, boom. Contouring them brows. Real cute. If you keep your brows simple, it's gonna save you time on your look. You shouldn't be spending 30 minutes on your brows. Alright? You seen the eyebrow palette? She's only gonna take a little orange to match that top. By the way, that top was beautiful, babe. I've never seen it. I need to see it. Date night, rooftop, Buckhead. We're gonna find a spot. Cause that shit look cute on you, babe. Understand you did it for the tube, but now you need to do it for me. Anyways, eyes are done. They look cute. Look at them. She putting some primer on the face now. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the video, share this with your homegirl that need help with her makeup sometime. Your little dark skinned homegirl, you feel me? She needs some inspiration. DWOOD can be her inspiration. She's a professional. Okay? Y'all book DWOOD, y'all follow DWOOD MUA on all platforms. I'm trying to tell you, you make sure you book it for your special day. That's a wedding, a birthday, an anniversary, a graduation, a funeral, a job interview. I bet you get that job. You book her for your makeup for your job, and I bet you get that job. Where we at? We blushing now. So she put the whole foundation on. Yo, I think I missed that. We're gonna have to, She put the foundation on. Alright. Now she putting on blush. Now she contouring the blush. She finna contour around her nose and stuff.
But what the hell, boy?
So that her nose and her blush can blend. You know what I'm saying? Where it's supposed to blend, all that. If y'all follow my girl, get my girl to 30K, I will let her put makeup on me. If you can't tell, just by my voice, I'm masked. Last time I put on makeup, hey. But it will be when she hit 30K. You get DWOOD to 30K, that'll be the day. Y'all get Bay to 30K. She gonna put some makeup on me. I'll let her do a mask makeover on me, a full face, and I'll let her keep it up. Child, y'all please get this girl 30K. I'm willing to let her put makeup on me. So y'all follow. Yeah, follow if you want to see her put makeup on the stud. Follow if you want to see her put makeup on the dyke. Follow if you want to see her put makeup on the mask. It don't matter. Y'all her people. Y'all know what to do. Where we at? So she reapplying the blush that she blended out, because she don't play about that blush. Now she's contouring, period. Her nose, cute as a button. Yes, ma'am. You know, look at her putting the shadow. Oh, wow. Look how that shadow did. Look, you see the contour on the lip. Don't look heavier. Make you want to bite it.
You a freak. You a freak.
Okay, she contouring the forehead. Is this more blush or we just blending, babe? Cause, child, did you dip that brush in something? Cause I think we missed that part. The blush bringing out the pink in the lips. Do you see it? Look at it. Look at the material. Mwah. You look beautiful, babe. You go, girl. Look at you. Dab, dab, dab. Look at it. Look at the blend from the chin to the ear. And then look at the blend from the ear to the nose. And from the nose to the forehead. The girls need help. Your makeup ain't blending like that. You're not blending enough. She done spit the powder. What is this? She baking? I think this is called baking, y'all. This is called baking. She is baking right now. It's the only time you're going to see some powder on her nose. This the only time. I'm trying to tell you. Okay, these are the products. Child. Girl. Blush. I don't know. Setting powder. You put that under your eye. I don't know. That's giving it some kind of smoky look. Girl, Child, you didn't give me no product list. So it's some Fenty this and some MAC that, because that's all I got. I don't know what else she using. Okay, this more blush. So these are darker. Okay, I see how it blend. Like, wow, it gives you a nice profile. Like, it's like pink right where your face starts to curve out. It looks really good, babe. It's even on both sides. Okay, you see the rosy cheeks. Don't like she just looks like a sweet girl. Okay, you see how everything's coming together. She got one more contour line that she's knocking out. You see, okay, that's some kind of little glitter. She putting it on the nose too. She like to shine. I'm trying to tell you, she don't make you look as good as you could, bitch. Anything else further, you gonna have to book a doctor. It's about time for them lashes now, cause now you can tell the lashes are missing. Where's she at? What is this? Setting spray. Okay, that's gonna bring that gloss. You see, it was like a little ashy before. Now after that setting spray, yeah. Girl, I need that fan. Cause I need that fan. Does it cool? I think I seen that fan on TikTok, girl. That look like a good fan. We needed that fan at the concert, babe. When we was walking from the morning to that cowboy quarter, babe. Alright, now that she's prepping the lashes, I ain't finna lie. That mascara did something. The lashes are going on. And as you can see, this is a half lash. See, what I learned about these lashes, because she told me the other day, this before I recorded this voiceover, she said these are half lashes, and she flips them, and she puts the left on the right and the right on the left, and she, centers it away to where the volume is increasing. You see it? You see how it's giving an exaggerated flared look towards the outer edge of the eyes? Perfect installation on the lashes, okay? The lashes look delicious. Now it's time to line them juicy lips. Yes, girl. Yes, look at that. Look at you being a perfectionist. Get it, girl. That bottom look heavy and juicy. It's so crazy. Girls will put all of this on them lips and make them look all juicy, and then had the nerve to say they can't kiss you. What? Like, you just did all of that for me not to kiss you? Look how you're looking. Look how them lips is looking. Look at her lips. They so perfect. Okay, lip combo looks delicious. Honestly, don't matter what you put on them beautiful lips. I think your lips is making that look better than what it's supposed to be. Most beautiful girl in the world. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
You make me blush.
Lip combo is cute, girl. It's looking sexy, looking grown, seductive. If you left a cup kissed, I would kiss that cup. Look how good that looks. You look beautiful. Wow. Hey, babe. The face looks good, girl. You did what you had to do, big mama. You know what? Speaking of doing what you gotta do, GlassGloss. She using y'all product. But that's because she stuck with it. Y'all did a collab and you didn't pay my girl. That shit ain't right.
Go and get some fucking money, bitch!
That shit ain't right. And because of it, GlassGloss, you are now officially ass gloss. Pay the black content creators. Why the hell you ain't paying them? Hey, babe, you look good, mama. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Hey, baby. Bye-bye. We're going to see you next time. 30K. Appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for supporting DWOOD MUA. Y'all follow her on all platforms for more. Your girl show you how to do it. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. The girl's girl. The one, the only, the beautiful. DWOOD. I got a lot more to say. Another take.